Welcome to the Sunfixings V2 End Clamp installation guide. The V2 End Clamp is designed for use with either 30mm or 35mm panels. Please note, this is not the same as our XL clamp. The correct V2 End Clamp will always be supplied based on the panel datasheet you provide. Step 1. Insert the T-bolt. Slide the T-bolt into the rail channel. Place the panel onto the rails, making sure the clamps will sit inside the specified clamping zone of the panel. Step 2. Position the clamp. Place the clamp onto the edge of the panel so it butts up firmly against the panel. Step 3. Secure the T-bolt. Check that the T-bolt is fully rotated and locked into the rail channel. Step 4. Tighten the nut. By hand, begin tightening the nut on the clamp. Use the T45 tool or carefully use the T45 drill bit that's provided. Important, do not use high-speed power tools or impact drivers. These can damage the nut and compromise the installation. Step 5. Apply final torque. Using a torque wrench, tighten all clamps to 18 Nm. That's it. Your V2 end clamps are now securely installed. Thank you for choosing Sunfixings.